Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you the best Snapchat Saver app on iOS and Android. So let's start. Whenever you try to screenshot a story on Snapchat, the person is notified that someone has snapshotted their story. And if you are on Apple, then you cannot screen record with the regular screen recorder. And for that I have a solution for you. All you have to do is download the following app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. It is the Snapstory app. This app is completely free to download on both the app stores. With this app, you can easily screenshot or screen record a Snapchat story, and it will be saved on this app. But if you're on Android, there is another way, and that is to use a screen recorder app. You can use the X Recorder app. I am recording on it right now. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next tutorial.